Let's tie a slip knot. Take the tail of the yarn, the very end, in one hand, the little bit hanging down. Put your hand under the other end of the yarn, which is attached to the ball. Take the tail end and lay it on top of the yarn that's attached to your ball. So you can see it's on top. We'll do that one more time. Here's the tail, and I'm going to flip it over so that it's on top of the yarn that's attached to my ball. Then I'm going to hold onto the X and come from underneath with finger and thumb, go over the other thumb, grab the yarn that's attached to the ball and bring it up through the loop. Once you have it there, you can let go, hold on to both ends together, and see how that knot in the middle, when you pull your hands apart, gets tighter. Now, to test and see if you have a slip knot, drop the tail, keep a hold of the yarn that's attached to the ball, hook a finger through the loop, and pull the yarn away from the loop. And if it slides, you got yourself a slip knot.